Hi everybody, my name's Yvette with Yvette Fit, and today's video is going to be about different ways that we can reduce the stress when we know we want to cook something in the kitchen that has a lot of ingredients and we already know it's going to be time consuming, but this video will help you so that you can minimize that stress. Okay, so a lot of people don't meal prep or don't like to even cook at home, especially because there's a lot of meals that take a lot of ingredients. I understand that when I know that I want something to cook, but I know it's going to be time consuming and take a lot of time, sometimes I don't really want to even cook. And that could be the point where people turn and say, you know what, let's order out or let's go pick up food from a restaurant. That's a no-no. If you want to have good health and whatever it is, build muscle or lose weight, it is very important that you start cooking the majority of your own food, because this way you could get your macros in and that you are eating the best quality food. You want it to have low sodium and so forth. So in this video, I'm going to help reduce that stress, and let's get started. Okay, so I know that I want to cook tomorrow some shrimp fried rice. I love Asian food, and the reason why I do not go to a restaurant and purchase it is because of the MSG. The sodium is so high that I will be just like a puffer fish blown up from all the salt. I don't want to be that way. I want to learn how to do it myself, and I love shrimp fried rice. All right, so knowing that I want to do shrimp fried rice tomorrow, I took the liberty of making some rice yesterday. I'm going to show you what I did. Also, I already took out my shrimp that I had in the freezer yesterday as well, so that today I could go ahead and peel it and devein it. So these are the little steps that you could do ahead so that when tomorrow comes, you don't feel overwhelmed. So let me show you how I did my rice. All right, so this is the rice I use. I just get the regular white rice. I have a rice cooker in here. I put 2 cups in my rice cooker because I like to make a lot of fried rice. Here it is. I've had it in the fridge overnight. This is what it looks like, the 2 cups. And when you're making fried rice, it's best to make it 24 hours before, put it in the fridge. It just comes out better that way. All right, and here I have my shrimp. It's still frozen. I just took it out yesterday from the freezer, but it's still frozen. So I'm going to run it under hot water so it could defrost more. I'm going to peel it and devein it, and then the shrimp will be ready for tomorrow as well. All right, I've already peeled and deveined my shrimp, and right now I have 3 eggs in the pan. I am going to add some egg whites, scramble that up, and that will be the egg portion already done for tomorrow. All right, now I like a lot of egg in my fried rice just because of the protein content. So, you could do you on your eggs. It does taste better as a regular egg as opposed to just egg whites. So I try to incorporate both versions, but just look up a recipe and see what you like. I don't know if it's 2 eggs or 1 egg or whatever, but I put a couple of regular eggs in and a little bit of egg whites, mix them together, salt and pepper, and then put that aside. Okay, so as you can see, I already have my rice cooked. Now the shrimp is already ready to go, and I have the egg. So tomorrow, all I have to do is throw everything in my wok, combine it all with, of course, my spices, my onions, my garlic, what I want to put in there, my soy sauce, and those kind of ingredients. But the prep work is already done, and it's going to make tomorrow so much easier and stress-free. So these are just little examples of what you can do when you have big meals like that. Take a little bit out of time the day before or a couple of days before to get some of those other products ready to go. And this way, when you're ready to do that meal you're looking for, it'll be done quicker. Well, thank you very much for joining. Again, my name's Yvette with Yvette Fit. Thank you. Please like and subscribe to my channel. And I hope you have a great next meal. Bye.